Hi, this is Chris. Today we have a 2003 BA Ford Falcon wagon. Stock reference number 3907. The shape runs from the 10th month 2002 through to the 9th month 2010. It has a 4-litre inline 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre 6-cylinder inline petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has no tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors have some small, tiny park dents. Left-hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. The tailgate's got a couple of small dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. I have the automatic gear shifter. Single stack CD player, complete with the heated controls. Interior mirror. Left sun visor. Right sun visor. And the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.